Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is DevTrend. Today I am going to show you how to stream from your gaming PC to your streaming PC using the RTMP method. For this to work, it is required to be on the same network and connected by an Ethernet cable to your router. Please consider subscribing if you would like to see more tutorials or perhaps a suggestion on what you like to see more of. Thank you. And now on to the tutorial. Step 1. Go to the links in the description. Download, install OBS software on both of your PCs. Choose your CPU architecture, whether 32-bit or 64-bit. Next, download and extract Jinx server software to your C drive on your streaming PC, which I will be using later in the video. Step 2. Setting up OBS on your gaming PC to stream to your streaming PC. Open OBS. If you're a first-time user, I recommend click on Tools and run Auto Configuration Wizard. Here, you can have an idea knowing your PC can stream without having performance impact, where you can tweak to have better setting configuration in the future. After running the Auto Configuration Wizard, click on Setting and go to Video. I recommend setting the base canvas and set it to your screen resolution. Set the output scaled to same resolution as the canvas, with a aspect ratio of 16:10 if your monitor supports it. On downscale filter, set it as is. Bear in mind it will be a little blurry if you are upscaling. Set FPS value to 30 or 60 if your system can handle it. Next, click Apply and click on the Output tab. Click on Output Mode and set it to Advance. Here under the Streaming tab, you can change to which audio track you want to go to the streaming PC. I only needed one track, because I was able to separate all my audio sources with Voicemeeter. To learn more about, you can click on the card link at the end of this tutorial. Next, on encoder, depending on your GPU, you can click on NVIDIA NVENC H264 New if you have an NVIDIA video card. If not, you can click X264. At Rescale Output, you can leave as is or change it to your streaming PC resolution. Please bear in mind, I am still experimenting with resolutions and performance. Yours will differ, as most systems are different. Now at Rate Control, change to CBR and set bitrates to 2500 kilobits. Set preset to quality and profile to high. GPU to 0 or 1, depending on the amount of GPU you have. Set max B-frame to 2 and click Apply. Next, click on Stream. Change service to custom. In server, you need to add RTMP :2/ followed by your streaming PC IP address, which we will learn in Step 3. Step 3. Setting streaming PC IP address. To get your streaming PC IP address, open a command prompt and run as administrator on your streaming PC. In the command prompt, type the command ipconfig /all and press enter. Here you will see a list of IP addresses. Look for the IPv4 address, and at the adjacent side is your streaming PC IP address. Now copy that IP address and go back to your gaming PC and enter it in server RTMP, which looks like this. Now for a quick tip, if you're using mouse sharing from PC to PC, you can add / next to live and copy your stream key and paste it at the end of the /. Note this is the format you need to enter on your streaming PC. So copy it and then remove the / and the stream key at the end. Then click Apply. Step 4. Setting gaming PC IP address into streaming PC OBS. After copying the IP address from your streaming PC, open OBS. Under Scenes, click the plus button and add AC. Name it to Gaming PC so you may know where it comes from. Next, under Sources, click the plus button and add a media source. Now in the Properties for Media Source, uncheck Local File. Set network buffering to 3 MB. Now in Input, enter the full link with your key at the end, as shown on the gaming PC, and paste it or type it in here. On input format, just type in RTMP. Leave all other setting as is and click OK. Next, close OBS and navigate to your C drive where you extracted in Jinx server. Right-click the Nginx file and run administrator. Note, you must run the Nginx server before opening OBS. To know if the server is running, you can check your task manager. Now, all you need to do, go back on your gaming PC and click stream. Now you may see a red dot in the upper left corner of the OBS screen. Right click on the red dot and click transform and click fit to screen. If all was done, you will now see your gaming PC screen on your OBS streaming PC, and you're all done. If you would like to learn more about other cool stuff you can do to make it easier streaming on OBS, you can check out my other videos by clicking on the icon on the screen, or the video tag at the end of the video. Like always guys, until next time, be safe.